Is your iPhone 11 running slow or lagging after the iOS 27 update? Whether apps are taking longer to open or animation feels choppy? Don't worry, here are the most effective fixes to speed up your iPhone and get it running smoothly again. First, if you just updated to iOS 27, give your phone some time. After a major update, it has to reindex your photos, files, messages, and other data in the background. This can make it feel slow for the first 24 to 40 hours or sometimes even a few days. So during this time, your iPhone may also feel warm and the battery may drain faster. That's completely normal. If it's still lagging after that, open settings, go to accessibility, then display and text size, and then turn on reduce transparency. This actually removes some of the heavy visual effects and can make the interface feel much smoother. Now go back, tap motion and turn on reduce motion. This replaces the fancy animations with simpler ones, making app switching and navigation feels faster. Also, you just have to check if your iPhone has a screen protector. If it's cracked, damaged, or has a lot of dust trapped underneath, try removing it because a damaged or poorly fitted screen protector can sometimes affect touch response and cause lag. Next, let's try some quick fixes that really help you out. So you just have to open up your app store, tap your profile picture, and update all your apps if you see any update available. Many apps need updates to work properly with the latest version of iOS. Now check your storage. Open settings, then go to general, then iPhone storage, and make sure you have at least 10 to 20 GB of free space. If your storage is almost full, delete unused apps, old videos, or large file to free up some space. Also go back to general and tap background app refresh and turn it off for apps you don't need running in the background. And next, again from your settings, go to battery, then battery health and charging. Check your battery maximum capacity. If it's below 80, your iPhone may automatically reduce performance to prevent unexpected shutdowns. And now you just have to check the important things from settings, then privacy and security, then location services, and here you just have to change apps that are set to always to while using the app whenever possible. This actually reduces background activity. Also get into the habit of closing apps after you're done using them. If you have a lot of apps running in the background, they can use system resources and may contribute to lag. And if the problem continues, open settings, go to general, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, and choose reset all settings. This won't delete your photos, videos, or apps, but it will reset system settings that may have been affected by the update. And now after restart your iPhone, if you feel still laggy or not feels okay, so in that case, you just have to know this may be the hardware issue. So in that case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider to have your iPhone checked. Hopefully any of this process worked for you. Thanks for your time.